feel so good to me. I wash my hair today.
I have a big pan right there in front of me. How was that? What's wrong with Sir Charles? Busting down the place like it's a big bad dog. Life is about ups and downs. I mean, when we go through the bad times, them, you know, it just seems like the world has come to an end. And then the worst part about it, you know, some of the people them want to cheat on a woman with some real bad ideas. So about me, guys. So about me.
I wanna just vibe with you.
So guys, it is 9:17 a.m. Wednesday morning, and as I can see, I still have this ponytail in. This ponytail is going almost a week now, and for the first time today, guys, the skies look a little bit more clear and there's no rain, absolutely no rain. I don't know if the rain is gonna come. It probably come in the evening based on how the cloud look, but I'm going to use this opportunity to get my hair washed. So today you guys will be washing my hair with me. I got one eyelash on. Wanna bear with me because I don't feel like I'm gonna put the next one on. My mama telling us that I try a heap of new hair care products to see what best is going to work for me and my hair repair, hair straightening, hair growth journey. The brand product that we're going to be trying this session is from Mielle. So I could see how that, but I don't want to just go and wait for it. Alright, so as I say, guys, I'm gonna pull out the ponytail because I know it's gonna take a little while, and when I start the hair washing process, I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so it's now 10:09. It basically take me an hour for pull out the ponytail. I am so happy about the products that I got. I got some build-up remover, and I'm definitely going to be using that, and I hope to see how it works. Because I had in this ponytail long, you know, every minute I have to touch it up with the gel, and also I kept using the straightening oil in it, so there's a lot of oil in my hair and other moisturizing, scalp moisturizing products as well. So I know that my hair is extremely dirty. I had used the white tissue because I didn't have the black wrap, so I used regular tissue to wrap my hair, and I'm surprised. I took it out and there is, well, I don't want to say none, but there's barely any glue, just this piece right here, so just a piece here. So as I say, I'm going to be using the build-up remover. I'm gonna use it now as a matter of fact, and then as it go on marinate, I'm gonna just go eat some cereal because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna get back to the hair washing. So let me just start. So I just distribute this throughout my hair, guys, y'all and everybody, and then I'm gonna left it in there. I feel so good to me. I wash my hair today, guys, because it was getting heavy. Like honestly, it just started feeling heavy and junky because truly I'm putting the Mielle straightening oil in it all week too. Yeah, and the extra bag of gel and everything there. So washing my hair today is definitely something I'm looking forward to. Alright guys, so I do my little setup right now for wash my hair outdoors. I feel like I wanted to change the spot from where I did it the last time. So yeah, I'm doing a little variation. I have a big pan right there in front of me. I'm gonna put the pan in front of me simply because I don't want, when I'm using the hose, the water splash up my foot, and because I will put a dirt me and stand up, and so I don't want it. I don't want it mud on my foot. So I'm gonna use, what the hell was that? What's wrong with Sir Charles? Busting down the place like it's a big bad dog. Like, why this little cat go like it's mighty? Anyway, I'm gonna use the oil. Guys, I kind of want to get the video done earlier because I did a run from the whole heap of sun. But obviously, I can't avoid it. I forgot to do it. It's about almost 11 o'clock now and the sun has come out really bright. So I'm gonna still get the video done anyway. Alright, so I go for the things them and come back. I say, guys, only thing content creation easy. Like, I have to be shooting this video on my camera, and on my phone I'm actually shooting content for TikTok plus the setup plus the I don't like the video for me, please. It's not easy. I'm gonna get the oils, I'm set it up and everything. We are washing our hair outside. I started with the light treatment build-up remover. Let's see how this clean my scalp and prepare it for the shampoo. Light treat build-up remover, check. So I'm gonna be using the shampoo now, guys. It's the lavender and lychee scalp moisturizing shampoo, which is supposed to cleanse scalp and hair for the relief of flakes associated with dandruff. So we're gonna get this going. I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hair first and then get it wet. Yeah, boy. I try to position myself for the two camera them can see me, you know. Coming in the bag of double talking business, you know. Tell you why the things them are blind me. Don't feel like I'm gonna turn off the fan. That's just a little bit too high for me. I don't really feel it. I don't really know if to say it, but Alright, so with the build up remover, you can tell say kind of clean off the scalp a little bit because it don't really feel, yeah, my scalp no feel, I don't really feel what cakey gel and them things there. So I feel like the build up remover is doing what it's supposed to do, and it also left my scalp feeling a little moisturized as well. So I like that. I don't know if I truly did add the shampoo because I see when I add the shampoo, right? So I'm gonna go in and add some more shampoo now, and I'm gonna thoroughly wash my hair with the lychee and lavender shampoo. Ooh, I love how the shampoo is lathering up. Feels nice. As I can't really go no much say so on what I feel about it because I'm working on growth, and time is what is really going to let us know how that is doing. So I'm gonna wash my hair 2 times with the shampoo just to make sure I'm gonna get a thorough clean. Super bud with it. It's definitely not child friendly. This shit will burn. Woo. Woo. Mercy. Mercy me. That don't feel too bad. One down, another one to go. Because I use the shampoo again. But now I love wash my ear outside. It feels good. So guys, I was watching Tananya. I was watching her Hello June series, the first one of the series. Guys, I just love how Tananya has like evolved into just this mature female. One thing I love about Tananya, I love how Tananya like took all her losses and just turned them into wins. I mean, I've known Tananya and have been supporting Tananya since she had a store in Bargain Mall, Necessities. I was a frequent shopper there. Every time I see her doing something, I definitely support her because I kind of know where she come from. I know the struggles, and I watch her fight through everything. I just love how she just rebuild. And sometimes, guys, when I just have to understand, say, if you want to know where you want out of life and you continue to work towards that, of course, sometimes we're going to get overwhelmed, but we're not trying to take life too hard upon ourselves, and believe me, we know we get through. Someone else that I really enjoy watching on YouTube, another Jamaican YouTuber, is Maya Slays. I'm gonna see Maya go through a little drama right now on YouTube, you know, guys. I'm gonna really love it because TJ, if you really cheat on Maya, you're idiot. And we understand say man cheat and everything, but at least I know say your girl in the public, so if you even did go cheat, you would have to, I think I could have did fine, like, I don't know, I think I could have tried to be more careful. And then the worst part about it, you know, some of the people them want to cheat on a woman with some real bad ideas. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that right now. I enjoy my ear wash. Soap about my guys. Soap about me, guys. Soap about me. What a bangarang. What a calamata. This is a mess. What am I beard at this point? Oh, yeah, you need that. You need that. At this point, guys, but I'm a whole beard. Tell you about myself. Anyway, I love all the shampoo wash the ear. But you're real clean. You know how bad? You don't really bad if the rain just start fall again. Anyways, guys, this is a mess of a hair wash. It is not the most aesthetically pleasing, but let's go and enjoy it with me. Go and enjoy it. So now we're gonna be using the lavender lychee conditioner. I'm kind of did I then forget to the party. I'm a door stretch out or something. Yeah. I'm a whole mess out here. Don't you see? Do you see how wet I am? Do you see how wet I am? This is not how I expected this hair wash to go. It's really thick, and I love it. Lather up, lather up, lather up. Ooh, wow, yeah, it feels so soft and buttery. Like instantly, guys, I just feel like your ear are melting to this more conditioned state. Ah, ooh, we need a little bit more of the condition. We need a little bit more. We need some more. Ooh. Yeah, this is how a conditioner is supposed to work. And the smell is not overbearing. I'm gonna keep on mentioning the smell because I know a lot of people can't do well with smells, and me, I wanna get into it, guys. When the thing them too strong, when the smell too strong, it affects me. The condition is conditioning. Okay, so I'm gonna make this stay in my ear a little bit, maybe like for a good 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and finish the video. So far, our only thing I can tell you now is that it's not, the smells are not overbearing. You do go get the little sweetness in it because of course it's lychee and lavender, so you're going to get that pretty flowers smell. Cute. Ooh. I better say you're bombing. And when you leave it, can I get you in some trouble? What can make you bubble? If you like a shovel after, we can cuddle. It's been about 10 minutes since I put the conditioner in, so I'm gonna go wash my ear out now, guys. So I have one last product one more I put in on my hair. This is the lavender and lychee scalp moisturizing lotion, and it says you can use it in dry or damp hair. This is the final step, so I'm wanting to see. Alright, so before I put in that, I'm gonna kind of comb my hair back a little bit successful. All right, so after that James Bond stunt, I'm gonna squeeze the water out of my hair. It has like a pump on it, guys. We're gonna use a couple pumps here. Really juicy. See if I need more after the first part. Ooh, ooh, definitely feels moisturizing for sure. I feel like my hair could have lose some more water still, but I'll do another pump and do some more pumps. I gotta give you guys an update to let you know how I feel about the product and if it's helping to grow my hair. I have to report, I feel one tingly feeling. You know that ice mint feeling? I'm feeling that throughout my scalp. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Maybe I shouldn't have used so much because my hair scalp is feeling really cool right now. Very cool. Ice mint cool. I'm just going to allow the scalp lotion to kind of do its thing. I'm going to add the strengthening oil. I hear some controversies on TikTok about the Mielle strengthening oil. It kind of have me feel some type of way at first when I saw it, but the truth is, if there is something going on with that oil, I would for sure say it. So I also read that a lot of the people that complained about it picking out their hair were people that actually bought the bootleg version of the Mielle strengthening oil. Now so far I have nothing negative to report, so I really can't say. You understand? I got the product directly from Mielle Organics, so naturally I would have gotten not a bootleg product but the original product. So I cannot speak for everybody that's saying that it picked out them hair or whatever. I'm not having that experience, but what I will say is, if I ever start to experience that with my hair, especially on this journey that I am on, you can count on me that I will be telling you guys. And another thing, this is my hair care journey. You get what I say? It's not your hair care journey, it's my hair care journey. So I am going to see products that I am interested in and I am going to get them for my hair. Now what I can do is only tell you guys of the experience that I have using it. I will never force anybody to go buy something that I am using. If it pick out my hair, and my hair to go pick out. If it damages my hair, and my hair to go damage, and I am going to have to be left to deal with those consequences. So when I speak about the products that I am using, you buy it at your own risk if you want to try it. Just like skincare, you have to try new products. Just like makeup, just like skin, just like hair, with every single thing, lotion, everything, you have to use different things till you find something that is working for you. So this is my journey and I'm sharing it with you guys. If you don't see the things them, when you like what me I say, I don't feel like when I want to try it, go ahead and try it. But don't come blaming me if anything happens and say, oh, she did say this or oh, she did say that. I am giving you guys a review based on my experience, and everybody's experience might not be the same because we don't have the same body. Some people are allergic to certain things, some people's skin will react to certain things, some people's scalp will react to certain things. I am me using the products, and if I react, I will tell you. But for now, it's all clear. Alright, so anyways guys, now go just continue to take care of my hair, and this is the end of this portion of the video. You thought that was the end of the video? No, we're taking care of our hair today. So even though I have all those fancy stuff, but now I left out the good old. So I ended using the scalp, pay attention, scalp moisturizing lotion, which I massaged into my scalp after washing my hair. And now we stick to the old school things. I'm still, this is gonna be the hair lotion. So this is the olive oil ORS hair lotion. I'm still gonna put a bit of it on my hair because of the oils, you know. It has olive oil in it, it also has castor oil in it, and what else my hair need a lot of treatment. It's brittle, it's breaking, you know, it needs strength. So I definitely have to just oil my hair and oil my scalp and put as much things in it after giving it such a harsh wash, putting as much things in it that can help to just bring back the volume and all of that. So with that being said, I'm also going to use my purely multivitamin black hair grower oil. This is a thicker oil. I'm telling about this already in one of my other hair videos. It has a lot of oils: mineral oil, olive oil, castor oil, lanolin, vitamin A, vitamin E, and I just believe in that hair either because I use it from my barn to take care of my natural hair. And in that time when I was using these products, my hair was at its healthiest in terms of thickness, volume, thick so till when it a comb, the comb them are broke. Yeah, I want to get back that volume and thickness there with my hair. My hair has become very brittle. Now I don't know if it's because I have been relaxing it, but even when it not relax and it get natural, I realize say something not right. So we'll have to do something about it. And then the weakest part is the back of my hair. That is the major part of what we are working on. I normally just catch up my ear in a one. When we did start wearing more natural and I didn't know what to do with it, and I was just catching it up super tight. I got some more hair products which will be coming soon. I want a little bit more expensive, but you can see guys that I am dealing with a serious situation and at the back of my ear, so I'm going to try at once to try something a little bit more intense and to see if that can work and help to grow back my hair. So I am kind of collaborating this product with a company, and I have high hopes. I'm not gonna have nothing less because God know I don't really want to use nothing in my ear where I got damage it. So we're hoping for the best with trying this product, and it is specifically geared towards helping thin hair. Like if you're having thin hair, if you're having bald spots, if you're having anything of that nature, it is specifically geared towards that. And because I'm experiencing hair thinning at this time, I felt like it would be a perfect time to try something geared towards that. So I will definitely update you guys along the way. When I receive that product, I'll definitely do an unboxing, and then we will go on a journey with that product for a little while to see, you know, how or if it can help with the conditions of my hair at this time. So we are hope for the best. I'm not really gonna do anything crazy to my hair after doing that. Generally I would probably try to wrap it so that when I unwrap it, it would have like a really nice soft look. But I'm not gonna wrap it. I gotta just leave it out like this, make it just go on air dry, and just make all of the things then when I just put in it, just get some time to work without any type of stressors on it at all. So I'm probably gonna leave it like this for the next hour or so. No, because I know I'm gonna go on this extreme hair journey. I really don't want to put my hair back in a ponytail, so I might kind of wear a little wig for the time being. Or boy guys, I really want to braid my hair, but I am so afraid of braiding my hair because of I know how weak my hair is at this time, so I don't really want to go braid it. And then when I go braid it now, because of the whole tight grip and everything from my hairline, it just damage it even more. So I really don't know what I am going to do right now. Normally when I'm in that uncomfortable phase of figuring out what I want to do next with my hair, I usually just end up putting on some wigs. So though that is not really what I want to do at this time, between just leaving my hair out and rocking a wig here and there, that's what I will be doing until I figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this very chaotic phase of me just trying to create content washing my hair outdoors. It's very awkward, you know, and the content, creating the content is just another thing to itself. But anyway, we're learning as we go along, and I think but just actually I enjoy the struggles because you know it's all for greater good. Anyway guys, I don't know, I think I feel a little bit hungry, but I'm going to shower, and then after a shower I'll figure out the rest of my day. It's Wednesday. Oh yeah, I have a video for upload tomorrow. The video that I'm going to be uploading tomorrow, Thursday, is that video where I went to Footloose, and also I went back to Bob Marley Beach again, and I talked with some of the local vendors that were selling clothes and like natural juices and stuff like that. So if you guys have not watched that video by this point, when you don't watch that video here, you can go ahead and check out that video as well. Leave your comments guys. I'm not see now comment. I don't know why I'm afraid to talk to me. Listen, when I can see, like, I am being so open with you guys, and I told you guys in the beginning of, I think in the ending of 2025, that I was gonna try and be a little bit more transparent with you guys, you know. And right now guys, I don't really have no time to pretend, you know. I'm gonna really care what nobody wants to think about me, you know. I am literally on a journey, and I don't know what you guys would like to see, but me I go on the journey, you know what I mean. And some days are slow, some days are quiet, some days have a lot going on, and that is just real life, you know. I'm not gonna come over here and try to do more. I do more in the sense of I literally am making sure that I am making effort to create content, more in terms of killing up myself. And nah, I am just flowing, listening to the voice, following God's lead, and literally just pushing out content as I feel is natural and true, you know. And I hope you guys are also enjoying my retalks, because some of them times I just when me and meds, you know, and while I'm having those medications, I like to just pick up the camera and share it with you guys, because I don't know if it can, maybe what I say can become like a word of encouragement for somebody, or just something that can create or provide inspiration for other people that is watching. Just know that no matter what you're going through in life, you are not alone. We're all out here struggling, and people, I think we just all need to just accept accept and embrace who we are or where we are, and try to just live easy. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna say it again, keep working, but don't overstress yourself just trying to always look good for people. Be yourself. You know, that always sells, that always work. And it doesn't mean that you have to always share everything on social media as well, because as me I talk about with Maya, one of the things I appreciate is so far, I don't know, maybe she gonna end up do it, but I don't know, I like that she don't feel forced or compelled for come on the internet to come address with our situation. Because listen to me, relationship is not easy, relationship is very hard, and when you see two people that try work through it, I don't think the first thing to do, especially when you know could identify at first that it was something solid, but I think the first thing to do is to get up and try to bring people down and tear people down, and like it's like, you know, it's like a lot of you guys are so unhappy with yourselves that you know just genuinely like to see other people happy. A relationship is not easy. People are going to have fights, people are going to go through situations where cheating occurs, and them have to go decide how them are going to deal with them relationship. But the problem with social media is social media wants to instantly decide how somebody deals with their own personal situation. I want to feel like that if the person don't deal with it full no way, like them not credible or them not valid. All of it. Meanwhile, when I try to take skeleton out of people's closet, and I need to go clean up on our own closet. Leave people alone, let them deal with them situation with God and time. Everybody out there I go through them own thing, and things take time. Anyway, that me have to say about that. So yeah, I talk a little longer than I did need for, but I'm not going to big up on myself and bad up on myself and the things them later.